Literally profited. Oh, he took off his shirt.
Oh.
Should we do something? Should we do something?
We should do nothing.
Okay, we should do nothing.
We should stay here and watch.
We should do nothing.
Yeah, we just chill here.
Wow.
How's your day?
My day is fantastic, you know? Like,
Yeah.
I just like drama. Like,
Yeah, I'm getting a call. Is it Davis?
Davis
It's
Ware.
Phantom.
It's Phantom.
Yo,
so you ain't make the single now. Put him on the phone. Put him on the
bro,
phone.
I hate that he's on my dick, bro. I hate that you're on my dick. It's so weird.
So you ain't make a single dollar.
My video is upload unmonetized.
What the fuck up, you lying, nigga?
Hey, you're being so weird, Phantom. You're so odd. So weird, bro. So weird. Hey, yo, bro, hop off my cock. I wasn't here on July 5th, all right? Hey, next time you blow up, next time you blow up,
Wait,